Get ready. 3 seconds to go. Start. Today, most countries in the world have a constitution. Full stop. While all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, comma, it is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic. Full stop. The Constitution serves several purposes. Full stop. First, comma, it lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. Full stop. Or, comma, put another way, comma, our constitution tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. Full stop. A country is usually made up of different communities of people who share certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on all issues. Full stop. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. Full stop. This includes not only the type of government but also an agreement on certain ideals that they all believe the country should uphold. Full stop. Parachange. Let us try and understand what we mean by this through two contrasting situations in the recent history of Nepal, comma, a country that borders India on the north. Full stop. Until recently, comma, Nepal was a monarchy. Full stop. The previous constitution of Nepal, comma, which had been adopted in 1990, comma, reflected the fact that the final authority rested with the king. Full stop. A people's movement in Nepal fought for several decades to establish democracy, and in 2006 they finally succeeded in putting an end to the power of the king. Full stop. The people had to write a new constitution to establish Nepal as a democracy. Full stop. The reason that they did not want to continue with the previous constitution is because it did not reflect the ideals of the country that they want Nepal to be, comma, and that they have fought for. Full stop. Parachange. As in the game of football, comma, in which a change in the constitutive rules will change the game altogether, comma, Nepal, comma, by moving from a monarchy to a democratic government, comma, needs to change all its constitutive rules in order to usher in a new society. Full stop. This is why, comma, the people of Nepal adopted a new constitution for the country in 2015. Full stop. The caption alongside elaborates Nepal's struggle for democracy. Full stop. Parachange. The second important purpose of a constitution is to define the nature of a country's political system. Full stop. For example, comma, Nepal's earlier constitution stated that the country was to be ruled by the king and his council of ministers. Full stop. In countries that have adopted a democratic form of government or polity, comma, the constitution plays a crucial role in laying out certain important guidelines that govern decision making within these societies. Full stop. In a democracy, comma, we choose our leaders so that they can exercise power responsibly on our behalf. Full stop. However, comma, there is always the possibility that these leaders might misuse their authority, and the constitution usually provides safeguard against this. Full stop. This misuse of authority can result in gross injustice as demonstrated in the classroom situation below. Full stop. Parachange. In democratic societies, comma, the constitution often lays down rules that guard against this misuse of authority by our political leaders. Full stop. In the case of the Indian constitution, comma, about which you will read more later in this chapter, comma, many of these laws are contained in the section on fundamental rights. Full stop. Do you recall the chapter on the Dalit writer, Om Prakash Valmiki's experience in school from your class 7th book, question mark. In that chapter, we talked about the discrimination Om Prakash faced because he was Dalit, full stop. You read about how the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality to all persons and says that no citizen can be discriminated against on grounds of religion, race, caste, gender, and place of birth, full stop. The right to equality is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution, full stop, parachange. Another important function that a constitution plays in a democracy is to ensure that a dominant group does not misuse its power against other, less powerful people or groups, full stop. The storyboard below demonstrates one such situation in the classroom, full stop, parachange. Such unhealthy situations can occur in democratic societies too, where a majority can continuously enforce decisions that exclude minorities and go against their interest, full stop. As the above storyboard illustrates, every society is prone to this tyranny of the majority, full stop. The constitution usually contains rules that ensure that minorities are not excluded from anything that is routinely available to the majority, full stop. Another reason why we have a constitution is precisely to prevent this tyranny or domination by the majority of a minority, full stop. This can refer to one community dominating another, that is intercommunity domination, or members of one community dominating others within the same community, that is intra-community domination, full stop, parachange. The third significant reason why we need a constitution is to save us from ourselves, full stop. This may sound strange, but what is meant by this is that we might at times feel strongly about an issue that might go against our larger interests, and the constitution helps us guard against this, full stop, parachange. Similarly, the constitution helps to protect us against certain decisions that we might take that could have an adverse effect on the larger principle that the country believes in, full stop. For example, it is possible that many people who live in a democracy might come to strongly feel that party politics has become so acrimonious that we need a strong dictator to set this right, full stop. Swept by this emotion, they may not realize that in a long run, dictatorial rule goes against all their interests, full stop. A good constitution does not allow these whims to change its basic structure, full stop. It does not allow for the easy overthrow of provisions that guarantee rights of citizens and protect their freedom, full stop, parachange. From the above discussion, you will understand that the constitution play a very important role in democratic societies, full stop, parachange. Now let us try and understand the ways in which the above points get translated into certain ideals and rules by studying some key features of the Indian Constitution, full stop. Excuse me, friends. So this was the first half of the chapter, and the remaining half of the chapter I will dictate in the next video. So thank you for watching.